Okay, so I'm finishing up the last part of the collard greens. The stems, I've taken them off the stems, so now I'm just cutting it. People do different things. You can tear them, you can cut them. I do leave some of the stems because the stems are good parts, and there's going to be some stems there are going to be stems in there that you can use, but these are the collard greens that I'm cooking for today. Oops, there's a stem. I don't like how that look, but this is how you cut up the collard greens, and like I said, I'll be back to as I put them in the pot. I'm gonna rinse them off, so all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the sink. I'm going to add a little salt. This is my experience, my tradition. I put a little salt on them, I wash them, and then 4 or 5 times, making sure there's no dirt or grit in there, or until I can no longer feel the salt. And then that's when I know that they're clean. And then I'm gonna put them in the pot. So I'll see y'all when I put them in the pot on part 2. Add the onions to the bottom. I use green onions, pepper, some salt. You can kind of hear it popping at the bottom, right? And then I've washed the greens. So I'm just gonna throw them into the pot with some water. You heard that. Everybody do theirs differently. I do mine like this because I wash them and then I let them sit in water while I go get the pot ready. And I like for my onions to be a little sauteed. So you just take the cut up greens. You see they're still kind of wet. You don't need a lot of water, right? You just need just enough water so they don't burn. And then this is the water is also going to be dripping from what I put in here to kind of hold them from drying out while I got the pot and everything together. Then you're going to put a lid on it and you're going to watch it. When I cook greens, I use Earth Balance, and I also use olive oil to also add to the pot. All right, I'll see y'all when the greens is done. Or actually, I'll see y'all for the peas and rice, for the red beans and rice.